Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to hook up the magnet sensor. So all you gotta do is you're gonna pull up this side, get that all the way off. Gonna pull this weather stripping right here so you can get to the pillar. And I'll show you how to get this sensor in the pillar. You're just gonna stick it in there because we're gonna test fit it. I'm just gonna show you how simple and how magnificent this system is. So you don't have to take the door off and find the door triggers like on the competitor's kit, where you have to be a wiring genius to kind of get this done. Anybody can do this right here. Okay, so you just take your sensor, peel your door back. It's got two-way tape on it, so you can stick it in here on the pillar. But all I do is just squeeze it, stick it in there. It's not gonna go anywhere on the insulation. Stick your wire in there. Here's your door trigger. Put it down here, about right below the lock. Stick all your wire in here. And you're gonna put your trim back. And this comes with silicone, so you can stick it on here and it'll stay. It has two-way tape on the back, but I've moved it a couple times for when we were making a video. So it's gonna pop off a little bit, but it'll be fine right there, just to show you the test here. So when you silicone it and glue it down, it'll lock it in place right here. But what we'll do is keep that right there. And then here's the magnet that has two-way tape on it. And this goes on the door side. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put this magnet on here a little bit below the lock. And it'll go through the two-way tape. When you mount it, you're gonna stick your two-way tape on that side, mount the magnet to this, and you'll put a little silicone around the edge and lock it in place. So what you do is you get it roundabout where your sensor's at, and you get it roundabout where your sensor's at, and you're gonna shut the door to test fit it to see if the steps will go up. Bingo, I did it on the first try. So the magnet's there, you open the door, steps come down. So let's try that one more time. Power steps up, power steps down. You can't beat that here at Lone Star. So I hope you guys like what we're creating. You just do every door with one sensor, and it's all wireless under the hood. You don't have to do any wiring in the car. Very simple install, easy, one of my favorite vehicles. So hope you guys like what we created here. Have a great day.